Rain or shine, beauty reigns supreme this July 26. All roads lead to the golden shores of Alaminos, Pangasinan para sa isa sa pinakaabangang pasabog ng taon, ang Miss Grand Philippines 2025 Swimsuit Competition.
Now 2204, your pageant blogger host. Subscribe.
While the rainy season embraces the country, ang init ng laban ay ramdam na ramdam. At exactly 4 p.m., our official candidates will take center stage, hindi lang para magpasabog ng swimsuit looks, kundi para ipakita ang kanilang confidence, strength, and grace under pressure. This is not your ordinary beach walk. Every step, every fierce pose, bawat ngiti, may kasamang kwento ng dedikasyon, discipline at empowerment. Sabi nga nila, behind every queen is a storm she conquered. Mapapanood ang swimsuit competition ng Miss Grand Philippines 2025 sa live na exclusive sa Grand PH TV on YouTube. At patuloy din po tayong magbibigay ng mga updates tungkol sa pangyayaring ito. So make sure na nakasubscribe ka na. May alarm bell ka na rin para hindi ka mahuli sa action. Mark your calendars on July 26, 4 p.m. Be there online and support your favorites and witness the start of something grand. This is Nel2204, your pageant vlogger host. Maraming salamat sa panonood at patuloy na umantabay sa channel na ito para sa lahat ng mga bagong updates. This is Miss Grand International Philippines, the swimsuit competition schedule.